Hello viewers, welcome to my video. Thank you all again for coming to watch my video. Today in this video I am going to share with you a story. This story I know is known to you all. In your school life you must have read this story. The name of the story is A Farmer and His Three Sons. In my school life I was taught this story and I was studying this story. I had a homework on the topic of this topic. So I am again here to make you remember about that particular story. It will visualize must be visualized inside your mind. So are you comfortable or ready to listen the story? If you are ready, so I am very happy that you are going to listen to my explanation on the over the topic of the story, the the farmer and his three sons. Okay, let's get started. Let's go to the root of the description of this topic of this video. The farmer had three sons, and the farmer was living in a small village in a small hut along with her three sons. The three sons were always fighting among themselves, and they always spent spend their precious time and all the days sleeping on the bed and doing unnecessary things and the spending most of time with their friends. For this instance, the farmer was very depressed and upset. He always used to think, and he was always thinking that if my son don't change themselves, then how after my death they will survive in life. Then the farmer made a plan. He asked all his three sons and told them to bring a bundle of stick. They brought a bundle of stick and handed that bundle of stick to his father. Then the three sons told their father to the farmer. The farmer then the three sons told their father to the father who was the farmer. He asked, "Father, did you ask us? Why did you ask us to bring this bundle of stick? What is the purpose of bringing of this bundle of stick?" Then the farmer immediately replied, and instantly, as a reply to their question, the farmer said, "Father, son, you will easily understand why I told you to bring this bundle of stick or this stick." Okay, the farmer opened that is bundle of stick and give each of a bundle to all his three sons and ask them that, okay, you have one stick each, and break this stick. Then all the three sons succeeded in breaking and diminishing and distracting the sticks easily, respectively, individually. They succeeded. Then after taking a pause and after some time, the farmer asked his three sons, and each son and one of the son was given that bundle of stick, the full bundle of stick, and he was told to bring that bundle of stick. The first son tried hard. His best effort and strong dedication was given to break that bundle of stick, but he failed to break. Then the farmer told them, you know, if you stay separately or if you stay your lives separately, then easily can break you and rot you, and you will definitely be distracted by your neighbors and your friends. So if you stay united and if you have unity among yourselves, then no one will ever be able to break you and separate you all. So try to understand the importance of staying engaged with each other and don't fight each other, so that the other people who are your neighbors and the friends and the people whom you know and who are around you can definitely try to get chances, try to find chances of your disability of the thinking of getting separated from each other. Then all the three sons understood their mistake, and from them they learned a lesson, and after that they started their life with a great unity, and they live their life properly forever ever after. Thank you all for watching this video till the end. I don't know I didn't make a script before starting this video, I don't know how was my performance through this video. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you again.